What is going on, YouTube? So I got my door handles in from Skylar Labs, and if you don't know what they look like, they're all aluminum door handle, and they come in different colors. I went with the black, and I actually picked these up from Nikos. He had an extra set. I paid a good deal. I'm not gonna say what I paid. I want to say they were on like 150, which is probably a lot for door handles for people, but everyone knows that it's pretty common for the Prelude's door handles to actually break. I haven't had any break on me yet, but in case I ever do or whatever, I got some extra sets in here. But the black ones look nice. They're metal, so it's going to feel nicer than the plastic, and it's not going to peel like sometimes that chrome will do in the inside. So I'm going to make this little how-to video of how to replace those handles and put these metal ones in. I have never done anything to this extent as far as replacing like handles like this. Normally I just replace the whole assembly with a new one, but actually this is just literally just a handle as you saw. So we're going to go through and we're going to take out this handle, well, the whole assembly, and then we'll take out the handle, and I'll show you how to do that. And then yeah, you can decide if you want to buy the Skylar Labs ones or not. I want to say he still has them, and you know, if you ever have a broken door handle on a Prelude on the inside, I know sometimes they even break on the outside, hit up Skylar. He only does the inside ones as of now. I think there's rumors about an outside one, but who knows. But for now, we got the nice outside ones, or inside, my fault. And we're going to go ahead and open up Hercules here and get into them, and flip my camera around and show you what's going on. Okay guys, so you're going to have the little screw in here. You might have a little cover over that you got to get out with a pick or whatever to see the screw. And basically you're going to get over here and you're just going to pop this out. And then you're going to have this little metal rod that connects to it. Normally what I do is I just get my screwdriver as so, and I will just pry it off. Now mind you, it doesn't just pry off, it kind of twists off in a way. Here, I'm going to have to do this off camera with one hand, it's hard. Okay, so basically, like I said, this just twists off literally, and the handle's going to be right here. And then you're going to have the two plugs. You're going to have one for the little tweeter that's over here, and then you're going to have one for the actual locking mechanism, which is going to be right here. And I said with one hand it's a little difficult. Let's see if I can get this off. and set the camera back for 1 second. And there, we got the whole assembly out. Like I said, I've never gone this far as actually replacing the whole assembly. So this is going to be a first time for me doing this. So this should be fun. Because like I said, I really have no idea what this is going to entail. I can see right here that we got the spring, and we got this thingamajiggy going on here that holds it in. So I'm assuming we're going to have to find a way to get that out. We're going to have to transfer this over to the new one, and then yeah, use that spring, because that's what makes that thing come back. So let's go and do a little trial test with this one first. My dash is just in there. The car's a mess, guys. I was hoping I'd have more time to do some stuff to it today, but with it being all nasty and rainy, it's not even cold, but it's just rainy, wasn't able to do much. So let me look at this, try to figure this out, and see if I can get some of this stuff off. So it looks like this is going to be the direct replacement handle for here. And yeah, I'll kind of show you all along the way if I can, and we'll go from there. Okay, so in order to get this out, it was kind of pressed in. So what I did is I got my drill over here, and I drilled out the end of that, and so I was able to push through this handle. Obviously that spring comes in here, so you gotta be careful, that'll shoot out. Now this new hardware that it comes with is gonna have little Allen keys. Let me try to fit some. I got the security set here, and I'll tell you what size that this uses. But we're gonna install this new handle in, just like the old one was put in. Let me get it all sit in there. I'm gonna get the hardware in place, the spring in there, and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so it's in. As you can see, it functions as just like any handle would. It's kind of difficult, so what you're doing is when you're putting that pin through, that red pin, you obviously take one of the screws out of the side, and then you're going to push the spring. The spring's really not that hard to push with your finger to get it to go down where that bolt is, and you slide it through. Once it's slid through, you're going to use a 1/16 Allen head key, which is like the fucking tiniest one there is, to tighten these two Allen key bits up so they don't come loose. And like I said, you put the other hardware on. Oh, also, I removed the tweeter speaker from mine because I don't want a radio, so there's really no use for mine to be in there. So that's why you're saying it looks different than yours, but it should look the same. And there we go. That's how you install the Skylar Labs handle. So let me go and put the other one in on the driver's side, and we'll see what we're dealing with. It should be the exact same thing, opposite side, but I'm going to install this and see how it works in the car. It feels nice. It looks nice. Excuse me, guys. But yeah, it's a lot better than the chrome look. I want to say they have polished ones, but they're all out. They only had black and I think red or something like that. They might even have blue. I don't really remember. But the black is slick and it goes with the interior. And I think that adds a nice touch. I might even send these off to Justin to get laser etched. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, guys, just that easy. Really the most difficult part is drilling this out to get that old one to come out, but other than that, it's not too hard at all. Just a little bit of time and patience. And there it is, guys. You can hear it unlocking from over here. It goes back every time. Nice slick looking design that goes with the black interior. I like it. I'm gonna close this up because it's raining, and I'm gonna move the driver's side real fast, and I'm gonna be done for the day. But that's it, guys. Okay, I'm probably hear my kids screaming in, so I don't want me to come in, but make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Thanks for all your love, and check out Skylar Labs. They make a lot of stuff for Del Sol. This is the only thing they currently make for the Preludes, so maybe eventually he'll come out with more stuff for the Preludes. I gotta get my keys, and that'd be dope. But check them out, guys. Till next time.